Utility NFTs are digital assets that offer unique benefits or functions, such as exclusive access, rewards, or even tangible assets. They are often used to represent ownership, membership, or other exclusive rights. Step 2. Identifying real-world benefits. When looking for utility NFTs with real-world benefits, consider the following. 1. Exclusive access. NFTs that grant access to exclusive events, concerts, or experiences. 2. Rewards. NFTs that offer rewards, such as cryptocurrency, tokens, or other digital assets. 3. Tangible assets. NFTs that represent physical goods, such as art, collectibles, or even real estate. 4. Services. NFTs that provide access to services, such as software, music, or even medical services. 5. Gaming. NFTs that offer in-game benefits, such as character customization, skins, or power-ups. Step 3. Researching popular utility NFT projects. Some popular utility NFT projects with real-world benefits include 1. The Sandbox, a blockchain-based virtual world where users can create and own digital assets. 2. Decentralized, a virtual reality platform where users can buy, sell, and own virtual land. 3. Super Rare, a digital art platform that allows artists to create and sell unique digital art. 4. Rarible, a decentralized marketplace for creating and trading NFTs. 5. Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game that allows players to breed and collect unique creatures. Step 4. Evaluating utility NFTs. When evaluating utility NFTs, consider the following factors. 1. Market demand. Is there a strong demand for the NFT? 2. Supply and demand imbalance. Is there a shortage of the NFT? 3. Use cases. Are there multiple use cases for the NFT? 4. Developer support. Is the project backed by a reputable developer? 5. Security. Is the project secure and trustworthy? Step 5. Buying and owning utility NFTs. Once you've identified a utility NFT with real-world benefits that meets your criteria, follow these steps. 1. Choose a platform. Select a reputable platform that supports the NFT's blockchain. 2. Purchase the NFT. Use cryptocurrency or fiat currency to purchase the NFT. 3. Store the NFT. Store your NFT securely using a digital wallet or cold storage solution. Step 6. Leveraging your utility NFT. To maximize the benefits of your utility NFT. 1. Understand its use cases. Familiarize yourself with the NFT's unique benefits and use cases. 2. Engage with the community. Participate in online forums and discussions to connect with other holders and stay updated on new developments. 3. Monitor market trends. Keep an eye on market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly.